Hello, I'm Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you my first Crosley. This is a 1942 Crosley Convertible Coupe. It is in absolutely spectacular condition. If you don't know much about Crosleys, these were really cool microcars. They were produced from 1939 to 1952. They consider the pre-war version of these cars anything that was made from 1939 to 1942. They made 5,757 pre-war Crosleys, and in 1942 they made 1,029 convertibles like you see here. So this is definitely a rare piece. It's been restored from top to bottom. It's show quality throughout. It actually went to the 2018 National Meet, which was held in Ohio on July 14th, and it actually won the pre-war class. It got a first place. This is actually included with the car. That's a really big deal in the Crosley community to achieve this type of deal. Like I said, the restoration is show quality. The body work is beautiful. It's got gorgeous white paint. It was one of the things I loved about it the most when I saw it listed for sale. It's complemented with this red and black interior. Everything in the interior is in working order, such as the gauges, the headlights, even the interior light. The horn works. It's just a super interior here, and you can tell I'm a bigger guy, 6 foot, 200 pounds, and I sit in this fairly comfortably. The engine compartment is really detailed. It's home to the 2-cylinder air-cooled engine that is coupled to a 3-speed transmission. We've driven it a few miles. It runs, it drives beautiful. Definitely something that you have to take a peek at. For a complete description with tons of photos, visit msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Let you listen how beautiful it runs. Runs absolutely